Hello, how are you today? I am Flash Isaac. Today I'll be taking you through economic problems or questions in economics. Economics is a branch of knowledge or a social science subject which deals with production, consumption, and transfer of wealth. Now, in economics or in society, we have certain problems and questions people ask. What are the questions? One of the questions or problem of economics is what to produce. What are we going to produce? Because we have limited resources and human wants are unlimited. So, what do we use these limited resources to produce? What do we produce? What do they need now? In this village, in this area, what do they want? In Lagos State, what do they want? In US, what do they want? What do people want now? And what are we going to produce? If you've been able to answer that, like, okay, let's produce a marker board instead of chalkboard for teaching, so that it will be easy to clean and it won't stain your hand and it can be used in so many places. I say, okay, let's produce it. So let's produce marker. Let's produce this. Let's produce that. So you have to decide what to produce based on what people want to satisfy the needs of people. So that is the first economic problem of the society, what to produce. If you've decided on what to produce, the next problem that comes is how to produce. How to produce. And how to produce speaks about the tech to use, the resources to use. Are you going to make the production process labor intensive or capital intensive? Labor intensive means you are employing more laborers, human effort in production than the use of machines. While capital intensive means that you are using more machines than human labor. So how do you produce it? What tech do you use? Now that you've decided how to produce, the equipment to use, the technology to use, the facilities to use, you have to look at for whom to produce. Because your consumers matter, your market matter. If you are producing this, is it for rural areas? Is it for cities? Where am I targeting? So target location is very important. So you need to look for target audience. Target audience is very important. So you have to look for the audience, then you advertise, you promote, meet people's needs. So this is very important for whom to produce. And after that, efficiency of resources. We've established that we have limited resources and human wants are unlimited. So how do we efficiently use these available resources? How do we efficiently use these scarce resources to satisfy the need of human beings, to keep the economy moving? So that's the fourth economic question or economic problem or problems of the society. So if you are asked in an exam, what are the economic problems or economic questions or problems of the society under economics? It's simply what to produce, how to produce, for whom to produce, and the efficiency of resources used. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel and don't forget to check out my other videos.